Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the unboxing of this cricket bat kit for the uh, age between 8 years to 14, I guess. Yes, this is what, right? And the user purchased this for 400 rupees. Yes, 15 years plus. And this would be the whole package, like bat, stumps, okay, wickets, along with the ball, and with this bails also. And the overall, we'll see. This is the package I received from the Flipkart. Yeah. This is the bat. Okay, we'll keep it aside. Plastic, okay, hard plastic. And this sticks also lightweight plastic, okay, not that heavy great build, but okay, medium. 3 sticks. Yes, these are the sticks holders, means this one, the base. Okay, we need to just put the sticks in this like this. Okay, this is complete the setup. We need to arrange it properly. There is one ball given which is lightweight. Okay, don't think this is hard tennis, this is soft tennis only. Okay, and the main item, the bat, which is heavy in size, and yeah, 15 years means okay, lengthy. Yeah, lengthy. Okay, little bit weight also. Let me check the weight also for you. See here, this digital weighing scale also I purchased in Flipkart only for 190 rupees, I guess. 0.7 means more than half kilo, 760 grams. I don't know whether this is calculating the exact weight, but it is showing like 0.761 grams. Okay, if you want this product video, just find in the description. Okay, lightweight tennis. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. This got 4.2 ratings, decently good. And brand is RSKON full size cricket set plastic bat, tennis ball and stumps, 15 years, ideal for boys and girls, men, senior, sport type cricket. Okay, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.